B-roll.
Under the stars, you pack up your car, cause you're going far away from here.
Hello, good morning. So it is June 29th. Or no, it's June 30th. Crazy. And it's my first beach day. If you know me, if you live in New Jersey, you know that beach days, they mostly start in May. But it's been like cold. So we haven't gone on like a beach day at all. And so it's pretty sad. But at least we're getting it out in June. Literally last year, I went to the beach starting in May. But yeah, I'm so excited to go to the beach because I'm a beach gal. Literally like mid-month, I was talking to my mom and I was like, I haven't been to the beach yet. And she was like, it's cold. And I'm like, no, but it hasn't been cold every day. Like I could have went, but I was just so busy. Okay, skincare. My recent skincare routine, since I haven't seen you guys in a while, is this La Roche-Posay balm and this Epiclear Duo treatment from La Roche-Posay. And it's cleared my skin up so much. Like when I think I last saw you around February, my skin was so bad. These products literally like revived me. So I'm gonna do my skincare, I'm gonna get ready, and then I will see you guys when Katrina. Oh yeah, so I'm going to the beach with my friend Katrina and we're gonna have fun. So I'll see you guys when I'm with her.
Oh, it's B-roll.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it?
Hi, doggy! It's a lady dog. Hi, lady dog! He's so cute! There's a dog. Oh, its owner's coming back. We went to Rook and I got the coffee concentrate for Erica. And then I also got my own coffee concentrate. And then Katrina and I both got cinnamon vanilla. You like it?
I do. That's why I'm quiet and like just sipping on it.
Off to the beach. Yay. Hello. Hopefully it's not blurry, but Katrina and I are here. We're laying. The UV is full right now. Hey! The beach is getting busy, but we got a good spot, like right near the water. And we're just gonna lay. Hopefully I can clean this. Katrina's living her best life. Me, I'm limiting myself to just my feet. Huh? It's full for you. I love it. I pulled off.
I made fruit. The blueberries are a little sour. They're good.
The watermelon was good.
I haven't had the watermelon yet. Pineapple's very juicy.
Yum. Okay, bye. We just went in the water and Katrina made us wraps. They're turkey, lettuce, and cheese with Dijon mustard. Let's test taste. Good. I don't think you can go wrong with making like a wrap. Also, right now, as we speak, the air quality is 150 something, which is unhealthy. Because there's Canadian fires going on and it's drifting down to us, and this is the second wave that we've had. I can't believe those fires are still going on. Ooh, it's like almost 2. It's cold. The water's cold.
Waves are pushing me around.
Be on your toe. Someone's fishing. Okay.
farm, okay? Because like I get a handful of this shit. And why? Why is it only yellow and orange? Why no purple? Why no green?
Yeah.
I thought this was colored. Diverse.
Yeah. Diversify your things.
Feels a lot like real life right now. This is normal goldfish.
Yeah, that's not colored.
Can I even see?
I don't know. You see? This is the said sculpture that we were building. He said it was supposed to be like a mermaid. Someone called it a dead body.
Something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo.
It's gonna burn for me to say this, but it's coming from my heart.